What's up, guys? Today we've got a little bit of senselessness going on. I'm going to be playing with the Buick a little bit. I'll show you in a minute what I'm going to be doing, but mostly the reason why I'm doing it is I've got some hand-me-down leftover parts I want to use on something. The Buick's closest candidate, so that's what we're going to do. So let me get out to the car and I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Okay, so we're looking under the back of this Buick right now. I know this is hard to see because it's pretty dark, but basically what's going on is this trailer hitch back here that someone has installed on this car is really low, and it hits the ground all the time. It's scuffed up really bad right here, and when it hits the ground it's pretty jarring because the rear suspension is a little worn out too. So I want to take it off because I don't need it, but this muffler, which you can barely see, is in the way on this side. I could drop the whole exhaust down, but I have an idea for replacing the muffler too, so I'm going to hack the muffler off right back here at the back, and we're going to get rid of this stupid trailer hitch. Probably should have lubed these rubber things up before I did this. A little late to worry about it now. 1 and 2. And now that we're out here, you can see the big rusty pile of junk muffler, which weighs about 1,000 pounds. That was on there. We're not going to be putting that back. So next, I'm going to unbolt and take off the bolts that hold this trailer hitch on. Now we're just going to yank these nuts down. Shouldn't be too difficult. Leave that one on there so it doesn't hit me in the face. Not in that kind of mood today. Great, so far no face hits. Wonderful. That side's loose. One more nut to go. We'll just get it out of here. Oh, that's a heavy one too. Oh, that's got some weight. Yeah, there we go. Whew, much better. Next, let's just see what this thing sounds like with no muffler. Not too bad, honestly. It's actually pretty quiet, I guess, being a single exhaust car or something, I don't know. Anyway, this is the one I'm going to put back on there. It's a lot lighter, more performance oriented. It is free. I had it laying around in the shop and I don't have anything to do with it and I don't want to throw it away. So that's going to happen, but I've got to go get a little extension piece from the parts store and weld that in, and then it will be ready to go. So that's the next step. sparks in there. It's just fire. It's just fire. A little crooked. A little bit crooked. This way, which I think I can. Yeah, I can do that with this. Closer. That's close enough right there. There's the new look. Now we're just gonna see what it sounds like. Now that I have keys, try that again. So not too bad. That ought to help scare the deer off. I'm done with this one today, but let me really quick show you what we're going to be doing next time. This Buick with its plastic intake 3800 will be getting a new intake, which is right here in the building, and it's going to be this. We're going to be using an aluminum intake off the newer models and an L67 throttle body instead of the little one that's on it. But I'm waiting on a couple little parts before I can do that. When I get those, I will let you guys know, and I'll go over everything you have to do to convert from one to the other. But for now, I'm done. We accomplished something. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and peace.